everyone, welcome to the EVS class. As we all know, we have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They all connect us from surrounding. These organs allow us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel. We will discuss each sense organs and the way to take care of them. Eyes are an important part of our body. We see everything through them. Each eye consists of an eyeball which is set in hollow socket. The eyeball is filled with some fluid which protect our eye from minor injury. Also, eyelid and eyelashes on the eyes protect them from dust and foreign particles. The circular transparent area in front of eyes is known as cornea and color part is called iris, which has an opening in the center called pupil. The retina is situated at the back of the pupil, which is sensitive of color and light. The nerve which has connected eye to the brain is called optic nerve. Through it messages are passed the brain. Now, ear. Ears are as important as eyes. We hear from our ears. The part of the ear we see and can touch is outer ear. Sound enters from outer ear to the middle ear. It consists of eardrum, and when sound passes through them, it starts vibrating. Vibration passes to the bones which are present in the ear, which ultimately pass it to inner and where are the nerves pass the message to the brain due to which we hear. Third sense organ is nose. All are know about nose. Nose help us to breathe and smell. Our nose has nasal cavity which has a special hair type structure. When we breathe, particles present in the air come in contact of this hair, which produce signals that are passed to the brain, which tell us what kind of smell in the air. These hair called nostril also trap dust and germs which are present in the air. We breathe and protect us from which may go into our lungs. That's the reason we should not breathe from the mouth but always from the nose. Fourth sense organ, tongue. We taste anything is through our tongue, which has many taste buds on it which further have nerve ending. When the food we eat it enter our mouth, it comes in contact with the taste buds. These taste buds send signal to the brain through nerve ending. The brain then responds what taste of food has. The tongue is sensitive and can taste different tastes like sweet, sour, salty, bitter. Last sense organ is skin. Skin of our body allow us to feel. It has nerve ending which are sensitive to heat, cold and pain. Nerve beneath the skin gather information and send message to the brain that is how to feel, how the object is. Also, it's our body covering which holds all our internal organs. Read in proper light and it should come from left side. Too dim or too bright light is harmful to our eyes. We should avoid it. We should watch television from a minimum distance of 6 feet and should not play video game or sit in front of computer continuously for a long period of time, as it stresses our eyes and affect our eyesight. Ears should not be cleaned with any sharp object or any pointed object, as this can cause damage to the eardrum. We should not listen to loud music, especially over the headphones. Nose. Don't clean your nose by inserting any object inside, but gently blow it out. If nose is blocked due to cold, it's better to make steam that will help to clean it. Don't blow in that case. We should clean your tongue daily with the tongue cleaner while brushing your teeth. A dirty tongue may cause disease and cause bad breath, so we must clean it regularly. Skin. Always use mild soap, as soap contain chemicals which are harmful to our skin. Always keep your skin clean to prevent infections. Conclusion. Sense organs are vital organs of our body as they help us to contact with our surrounding, so we must take special care of them. If we ignore it, we may get affected. Our tips are very useful to make them free from disease. I hope that whatever you have been taught today, you have read very well, as whatever tips have been given to you to take care of your sense organs. You also include them in your daily life. Thank you.